What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create a new channel on Slack. Here I have the Slack app opened on my phone and I have a workspace opened. As you can see in the middle here there is like a category for channels and you can find in it the channels created in this workspace. So if you want to create a new channel you can find here the option to add channel next to the plus icon here, so tap on it and it'll ask you if you want to browse channels or create channel. So I'll choose create channel. Here you can name your channel. So let's say test channel, anything, then hit next. And then it'll ask you to, if you want to make it public, so anyone in like this workspace can see it, or if you want to make it private only for specific people in this workspace. And once you select the visibility, your channel will be created in this workspace.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.